Welcome everybody, my name is Jordan Engelhardt. You are at Lyons Township High School's 6th annual auto show. We're here with US Classic Muscle Cars, and they are taking some video for us. So they're going around interviewing people and just kind of getting the large scope of what today is all about, which is basically having fun, eating hot dogs, eating pizza, having some good caffeinated beverages, and just being in community with one another and all these awesome cars. So welcome, and if you guys have not had a chance to look around yet, you're gonna get a chance right now. So at Lyons Township High School, we do a lot of interesting things here. We have an automotive program called Lyons Township Car Care specifically, and we do everything from fabrication to general vehicle maintenance. That can literally be anything from building a twin turbo Lamborghini Aventador go-kart that's 7 feet long, which is in the shop behind us here, or it can be like our 1929 Model A that we're restoring from scratch. Or I had a kid build a wheelie bar over here for the back of his Honda Spree. We've also got a 57 Corvette over there that we've built from scratch. So we basically do anything and everything, from turbo kits to basically anything automotive that has an engine, and even things that aren't automotive, like a school desk. We're down to work on it, and you know, limitation is only your imagination. So that's what we do here, and yeah.
Hi, my name is Marcin. This is my 2016 Ford Mustang GT. It's got the performance package, Recaro seats. I bought the Mustang because it was an upgrade from my 2.0 cylinder turbo. Needed more power, and this provided all of it. It's got 19-inch wheels, Brembo brakes. It's basically spec'd out how I wanted it to. It handles very nicely. It's got enough power. Braking's fantastic.
And the package that you said that's on the car, what does that entail?
That entails the black 19-inch wheels with the summer tires, the 6-piston Brembo brakes, and interior package.
I bet the braking is incredible.
Yes. Yep. 9,000. Yes, I do. It currently has a muffler delete. I don't have current plans for it just yet, but most likely drop it down a couple inches and supercharge it possibly. Yeah, no problem.
Is this your first car show?
No, I've been to a couple. Nothing much. Clearly just the Recaro seating. Nice bucket seats, hold you in firmly. Gearing's notchy how I like it. Very smooth. Yes. I love it. I haven't driven anything other than manual.
Oh, really?
Honestly, it was a preference over like all the American other muscle cars.
Have you won any other work yet?
Not yet.
You going to?
Hopefully.
Plan to? There you go. And you want to give a shout out to someone else's YouTube channel?
Yeah, let me shout out Lifestyle Media. Follow my boy Camille Lipkowski out there. Great photographer, great videographer. Let's keep it going.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to share and like. Bye now.